We're at Camberwell New Cemetery on the side of One Tree Hill, and this is the Glade. That's Canary Wharf down there. The council's come in and started to cut down the undergrowth, the brush and the small trees in preparation of cutting down the big trees and then putting graves here. All this area behind us was green, or at least going to be green, and now it's dead. It's been cut down. All these trees that you see, including that big one back there, are going to be cut down for more graves. It's all kicking off.